How to use the Carepod 1 Plus buttons. The new mood light and dark mode create the perfect space for better sleep and focus. Here's how it works. Power button. The power button turns your humidifier on or off. The 3 LED bars indicate water levels. Level 1, low water level. Level 2, medium water level. Level 3, max water level. Tap the power button to begin hydration. To stop the humidifier, tap the power button again. The fan will turn off after 30 seconds. Mist button. The mist button adjusts the amount of humidity your Carepod emits. Tap the button to cycle through 3 intensity levels. Level 1, low mist. Level 2, medium mist. Level 3, high mist. Timer button. The timer button sets a runtime for the humidifier. Tap the button to cycle through 3 durations. Level 1, 4 hours. Level 2, 6 hours. Level 3, 8 hours. LED indicator lights show how much time is remaining. If no timer is set, the humidifier will run until the water is low. It will turn off when 2 inches of water remain. To protect the self-floating oscillator wand. Mood light LED button. Mood light lets you cycle through 7 color shades. Tap and hold the mood light button for 2 seconds to turn it on or off. Continue holding the button to cycle through 7 color shades. Amber, coral, soft purple, magenta, emerald, aqua blue, dark blue. Tip: release the button to set your desired mood light color before turning it off. When powered on again, the mood light will display the saved color. Dark mode button. Dark mode turns all lights off. Tap and hold the dark mode button for 2 seconds. The button lights and mood light band will turn off. Tap any button to turn the lights back on and exit dark mode. Hydration meets mood.